In this video we will learn how to insert a new object in the library. We can draw or import furniture or other objects from manufacturers' websites as an IFC file. In this example we will insert a sofa. First we check the dimensions in meters. We can use the scale command if necessary. We select the appropriate library to add it on. We find the last item of the library in order to add the new one just after this item. We select the object, the insertion point, and we define the slide screen. The item is added, and we can use it in any new project. We can render the object and change the color and the material of the sofa by double-clicking on it.